how-tos.
Hi, I'm Michelle Adams. I am an acrobatics and yoga instructor. I am here with the Desire Company, and these are some tips and tricks to leave the wall with your handstand. If you feel confident and you want to start going upside down without an extra prop, you can, and we can work on it. There's many ways. Two things that I would start with that I think are great ways to start getting comfortable with shifting your shoulders under your body and getting your hips over your head would be donkey kicks and then just regular kicks. So with a donkey kick, my hands are about shoulder width apart, and all I'm doing is I'm jumping to start working on trying to get used to pushing down through the ground. So we don't want to be leaning over. So this isn't what we're trying to go for. We're trying to actually grow up and our ears get covered by our shoulders. So when I'm doing my donkey kick, I'm jumping up and I'm working on getting my hips over my head. If I can keep consistently hitting this spot, eventually I can start bringing my legs up. And then you can keep doing that until you can hold it upside down. Another one that you can work on is with kicks. So it's very similar to when we were doing it on the chair, when we'd let our leg raise and we'd slowly let it float off. But now we're doing kicks and we're getting used to our legs shifting our weight and having the control of trying to find a balance or a little center place. So with kicks, I always suggest doing both sides, even if you like one more than the other. If you do 10 on your left, do 10 on your right too. You bring your hands down, you can bend your knee if you're not as flexible yet. And then from there, you're just kicking up and trying to get comfortable with pushing down through the ground. Ears come between your shoulders, trying to push up as tall as you can, and then gradually trying to hold. If you can hold, start trying to bring your feet together at the top. Don't give up. It's fine. It's a process. Laugh at your failures and then grow from them and take it as far as you can and as far as you want. You got this.